Update. Going to a car meet in Hamilton. Sadly, I can't flex on the 180 because it's a piece of shit. Gearbox still not finished, but lucky enough, I got my Uber driver.
It's Chris Fix It here. How's it going?
Yeah, it's the one and only, my Filipino friend, Sean the Phantom. And lucky enough, we're riding in his shitbox. It's the peasant-spec S15.
It's only a Spec-S, bro. Spec-S.
Is it actually a Spec-S?
It's a Spec-S.
Yeah, it's for sale. It's for sale. 50k.
50k, bro.
Well, if you got the money, we'll put his Instagram here. Bloop bloop. All right. Before we go, we actually got our iced coffee because we like, because they don't have boba.
Pretentious white girl.
Yeah, so we're basic white girls.
Basic white girls today. It's ice mocha strictly.
Bro, don't hate the white bro. Like this is like in the view.
Nah, bro, look. Lush.
Oh my god. JDM.
JDMs, bro. What's wrong with that? Eh?
Yeah, and then your person, you can't see shit. It's like right in my eyeline, bro.
They don't need to see, bro. They don't need to see.
Just enjoy the ride, eh?
Yeah,
enjoy the ride.
Sergeant Hartman, your senior drill instructor. From now on, you will speak only when spoken to.
Sean drive like I'm one of his hosts, like I'm gonna get
Factory long,
yeah, I'm gonna spin my legs after this one.
Up it up, boy, up it up.
Yo, the meat is actually pretty lit, but most of these things gonna be just on a nice slow-mo B-roll because of copyright music in the background and it's pretty noisy. And most of the time me and Phantom, Sean,
Strolling.
talking shit, so
Shit.
yeah, let's just enjoy this B-roll. What are we working with, mate? Is this still the same one?
Same one, mate.
Right.
go fucking buy a sticker, mate. Buy my sticker, bro. Fuck this guy.
Shameless plugs, eh?
Some chicken, bro. Some chicken.
This is usually what me and my missus get, bro. But date with Sean,
Date with Phantom, bro.
Yummy
with Phantom.
Oh, that. Ooh. Get a load of that, boys.
Filipino proof, bro.
Real good, bro.
Yes, bro. Yeah, he's one of those photographers, bro. Yeah, shoot him. Yeah. Look. Hold on for you. Oh, man.
Yo, thanks for watching, fam. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video of the two of us talking shit. Yeah, thanks for the ride, brother.
Bro, yeah.
Good cheeky roadie to Hamilton.
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
And yeah,
Couple skids.
barely any skid your undies. Anywho, follow, like and subscribe. Do whatever it takes, help the page grow. And really appreciate it for you that watching my videos. Alright, so peace out.
Guys, later.